Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to factory reset your MacBook 2026. So here's how you factory reset your MacBook in 2026. So here, prepare your MacBook for reset, back up your data, safeguard your important files and documents. Use Time Machine for a complete backup or upload critical files to iCloud to prevent any data loss during the reset process. Sign out of Apple ID. Then, after that, unpair Bluetooth device. If you plan to sell your or give away your MacBook, compare all Bluetooth device to avoid any lingering connections or privacy concern for the next user. Verify macOS and model before starting. Identify your macOS version and Mac model via Apple menu about this Mac. This information is vital for choosing the correct reset method. So here, reset using erase all content and setting for macOS Moderate 12 Plus and Apple Silicon or T2 Max. So access system settings. Open the Apple menu in the top left corner and select system settings. Navigate to reset. Click on general in the sidebar. Then choose the transfer or reset. Initiate the erase. Select all content and settings to begin the process. Enter administrator password and Apple password. Then, when prompted to confirm, your Mac will reset and erase all data. After the setup assistant will appear for a fresh setup or power off. And then restart all your Macs or if erase option is unavailable. So here, start internet recovery, restart your Mac, and immediately hold Command plus Option plus R until you see the spinning globe to enter internet recovery mode. Erase this with this utility, and then format and quit. Select APFS or macOS extended as the format. Once formatted, click this utility. Reinstall macOS. Back in Utilize window, choose Reinstall macOS and follow the on-screen instruction to download and install a fresh copy of operating system. Clean setup. After installation, your Mac will restart to a clean setup screen ready for a new user's experience. So there you go, guys. So now I'll be showing you a clip of me borrowing my girlfriend's Mac, and then doing the resetting of Mac, but it's not full because I'm not gonna reset it. So yeah, there you go. I'm gonna show you the clip right now. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys liked the video. Please enjoyed. If you have any more questions, you can type it down in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.